Hey there, so here's a Bayou Classic burner. It's burning rich, so yellow flame and really sooty. So replacement on Amazon is like 15 bucks, but it's cast iron, so it should last a while, right? So I opened it up, really simple. This just bolts through all the way through, and then out the bottom is where it mounts onto the frame. So yeah, I looked in here, there's some cobwebs and stuff, so I'm going to clean that out. I'm also going to wire wheel all of this stuff and this. It looks really rusty and pitted and not smooth, so I think we're going to try that. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here's how we did. I just used a wire wheel on an angle grinder. It came out much cleaner. There was a bit of debris in the tube. I don't know, icky spider web debris, or yeah, I don't know. But let's go give this a shot. You know, as I was doing this, I was wondering if you could season this, kind of like you do a cast iron hibachi or something. So maybe I'll check that out. But for now, let's see if we did anything. Holla! Yes, so much better flame. A lot less yellow, a lot less sooting. Happy times.